Ang tinod nga lyrics dahil. She's staring at me. She thought I was a Power Ranger.
Hey guys, welcome to
Best Friends TV!
Alright guys, so for today, moduwa na sad make another game. Kay during quarantine, wamantay mabuhat. We're all at home. So for today, moduwa mi o Fibbage, enough about you. So basically, if you know that game, kay us as a group, we're gonna get asked questions in our phones. Nya dapat mi mo answer ana nga questions to the best of our ability or kanang binuang ra, depende ra na namo. But the goal of the game is dapat na makadaog. That's basically it ra. Makasabot ra mo as you watch the gameplay. So for today, we have everyone complete to me. We have Clark, we have Ramsey, we have Rigel, we have Glenn, we have Angela, and myself. We're gonna upload these types of videos every Monday. Nya kibaw na mo. Inamigo High Live is always gonna be every Friday. So lahi pod na. Basta don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified kanus ami mang upload. So let's start. Let's play, guys.
So sa akong pagsabot is this is questions related sa ato ang self.
And welcome to Enough About You.
Lingok ikaw sa mong green screen ba? Wa mo ko bata.
Lagi pugot ulo.
Players, let's go. All right, question one. A work of fiction that this player would like to be a character in is blank. Type in
White Horse
live.
at Taylor Swift. White Horse.
Nasayap na pag ko diha, day.
Unsa naman sad ni Day, grabe.
Okay na kay nako ba akong score at no.
Ganina.
BTS camera woman. Dora, wow, Kidra.
I like that. Kamera mo woman.
BTS ka. Well, pwede pod.
Wawawin day. Hindi mo ka na mapin.
Basta ako.
Good kid. You got her. Na naman.
Kaya grabe kasi answer.
Yay!
Eh.
Wawawin day.
Yay!
Ay, anong okay, naman din mo ganiha so. All right.
Which named after them. The two main ingredients would be
Oh my
blank.
gulay.
Kamulo si Bossing. Ginabot og pork chop. Boss, kami lang boss. Palihaw ko tulog ako, boss. Palihaw ko. Lahat, boss.
All right, where's the truth?
Isaw of peanut butter, eklong, and talong,
Oh my
egg and
God.
ham, siomai rice, diplok,
Damn it. Specific kayo. Binakog true.
Oh no!
Yay! Wow.
English man dahil sa Western, so dito ka relate. Aw.
Isaw pinatawat.
isaw and peanut.
On my rice. Boss, nalagay pa ako pork chop.
Or as a kid was blank. Okay, end your life.
Kagabi. Hoy!
Galis na lagi ko.
It's the best in line. In line.
Boss, bol.
Sabi pag-answer.
Oh,
Oh
man.
my God. I don't know. Taka na lang ko.
Pila ko, dancer.
Pila ko daily. Pila ko best in Machupaay.
Kaday.
No, see, it's a lie. It's a
Oh,
lie.
man.
Nice one. You fall for my trap.
Yay!
So, what's up, man? Dude?
Ano best in life?
Oh my God, best in line. Mo pa dyan ako ang gilike. Gilike ka dyan ako. Wala na dyan ako gi-answer.
Oh,
my
man.
gosh.
Anong best in line ka, day? Pwede mo explain? Pwede na explanation, Ana.
This player wishes would go away
So when one trend, Glenn and Glenn wishes would go away forever.
Unsa ni nga trend? Like music trend? General na
Bitaw.
kayo ang trend.
Oh, no hints. No hints. Kasakit sa anang fat, oy.
Kinsa mo nag-answer fat boy.
Hindi na ka pot.
Bakak.
Ah! Pwede sabihan tama.
Guys,
No.
Let's go.
let's go!
Nah.
Ah.
TikTok na?
Really?
Tayo na.
Hindi ka ganang TikTok.
Oh, TikTok.
Ay, ka my heart and goes.
Okay, my heart went oops.
Let's go.
player would definitely include
Kapalo
blank.
ko, adik.
Right, type in your lives.
Paspasa kayo maka-answer ha.
Wow, prayer. Living on a prayer.
Jollibee bye.
Ganda to.
Unsa man ang luto?
Kibody ka mo luto. Hotdog raman ni mo
Uy,
luto.
hotdog, itlog,
Itlog.
rice, chicken nuggets,
Picked.
beef loaf, corn beef.
Gotcha.
Damn it.
Akala ko.
Wow! Kuha kayo nila, oh.
Yay!
Oh,
Okay.
What? Kuha sa kayo nila, oh. Pero no.
Get wrecked.
And you all missed it.
Damn!
Alam mo, sleep is more important than everything.
no, that's a lie.
Sab slip ko kay Katre.
The first big concert this player ever went
Basta mo
to.
elektro.
Hala.
Naglibo po ko ani bitaw, honestly.
Wala pa makakaatog concert.
Not one I've been in, pero kanang gatanaw ako, igor ako gatanaw.
Like live?
Yeah, live.
Paborito ni mga artist.
Kinsa kinsa ka ni.
Jed Madden.
Jed Madden.
Mura ka balo kung kasi nakanserahan duha ka dyan Manila. Mura ka balo ko. Ugay ko magibak ko ba? Mali Pacquiao. Concert si Mali Pacquiao. Apik ka. Sabi apik ka. Sa amin na.
I wish.
Gotcha.
Oh my God.
I wish.
Kompleto kayo, back-to-back concert.
Whoa!
Favorite?
Really?
Yes, sir.
Dyan Manila si Kano. Back to back concert.
All right, last round.
And one lie about himself.
Nara. Dahil tarungin dahil ay pagkamali dahil. Boss, inyo po to, bahaw man.
Last month na lang ini boss. Nari mo.
Always true. Which statement about this player is true?
Say true vegetables.
True vegetables.
Sa vegetables mo na vegeta.
Oh my God! Ay.
Hey.
Easy.
Oh, ako
Smart.
na lang wala answer.
Smart kay ka, anak, day.
Ako this meat.
Wow! What a
Let's go.
Wait,
I don't know.
RJ, sorry RJ kung lain ni RJ. Tungkol din sa gimold nga puso.
Laban.
Pila ko save ko.
divided.
Yes!
Yes!
Yeah.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Asa naman dyan day?
Harsh.
Kulba ba ana?
Luoy ang chim-chim.
Obvious kaya nga answer ba?
Grayson.
I eat everything.
What?
Ano nga ano nga MVP?
Unsa man ni Sarge?
Bantay bitag di ka mukaon og lamisa ug maa.
Ano ka ba? Ba't mo ako papakainin ng lamisia?
I eat everything, man ka.
Damn it! Ako rin sa'yo.
Get wrecked, RJ. Yan, down.
Kapuya ninyo.
Ting naman si Pop ron. Tuwa pa siya ng ligo. Pero pwede makagood mo kasi nag-pass ka. 2,000.
Yay!
Wreck. Let's go. You both guys got wrecked.
You say winner.
Ah,
Oh,
RJ!
Chanel.
Wow.
Chanel, nice name though.
Ikaduha na niya, di ba? Dili di ay.
Si Glenn to kanina. Ah, hanggang kag-like. So,
Puso ka.
most popular.
Alright, so muna to ang game guys, no? Nawala na akong kao kay medyo lingaw siya. I hope nag-enjoy resad mo. Ang winner is your boy, myself. Somehow nakadaog ko.
Kita no.
Ay.
Okay, siya may daog. Grabe ka.
If you guys look forward to seeing more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell kay we upload twice a week na, every Monday and every Friday mag-inamigo high live. You guys knew that na. So please check out our individual channels nasa description sad below. That's been it for this video. Buyers.
Bye.